Gina with WTI. And if you're ready to get out in the sunshine and really enjoy yourself, you're gonna want a pair of these Shortalls that I got from Talakeno. I just love wearing these overalls. They're so comfortable. I got the size small. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and they do fit me snugly. These come cuffed, which is a really cute look. I wanted a little bit of a longer inseam, so I went ahead and let out the cuffs on these, and I like the way that that looks too. These are a really nice high quality denim, and I got the dark blue color, although there are other really fun colors to choose from. I think they made a good design choice with putting so many different pockets. It really adds to the cuteness of these. Even though it's still a little bit on the chilly side where I live, I just added a pair of leggings underneath, and then I was able to wear those around with my combat boots, and I really just like the look a lot. If you've been contemplating getting a pair of Shortalls, these are the ones to get. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.